Hello, hello, my friends. It is Playful May, and today I have a delicious recipe. I'm going to show you a grown-up twist on a childhood favorite. You're gonna simply love this recipe. Cinnamon air fryer apples. Yum. All right, so there are so many varieties of apples, many of them when you go to the supermarket. But today I decided to choose Envy apples. Beautifully balanced sweet apple. I love it. And it holds together even after cooking. This snack or dessert or whatever you want it to be is nutritious. Why? Well, the cinnamon provides a natural sweetness and antioxidants. Apples provide fiber, which is great for digestive health. And of course, heart-healthy walnuts provides the omega-3s. Okay, that's nutritious. Cinnamon and apples work together. They click. It's like they went on a first date and fall in love at the first sight. So are you ready, my friends? Let's get cooking. For this recipe, we want to cut the ends of the apple and then slice the apple. You're gonna add the slice of the apple in an air fryer rack and pour on top brown sugar and a sprinkle cinnamon. Then air fry these apples for about 10 to 12 minutes. At the end, you can sprinkle the walnuts on top and enjoy this beautiful dessert or snack. Okay, now my friends, the best part, the taste. Let's see how this came out. Wow. This is a great pairing. Definitely love in here. I feel love in here. So go make these beautiful cinnamon air fry apples this weekend or whatever. You can include your children in the making of this beautiful dessert or snack. You can eat it for breakfast on top of yogurt as a snack or after dinner for, sometimes we want that little sweet at nighttime. This is it. All right, if you want to learn more about myself, my books, my articles, my blogs, more videos, recipes, visit ManuelVillacorta.com. Also now I am available for coaching if you desire to lose weight. All you need to do is go to my website, ManuelVillacorta.com, and schedule a free 20-minute discovery call where I can hear your needs and I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna tailor the plan to you because all my plans are customized to each person. All right, my friends, thank you for watching and until next time, bye now. This is actually